Hey everyone, welcome back to NedusTech. In today's video, I'll show you how to use ONE WhatsApp number on TWO phones at the same time. This is super easy, and I'll guide you through step by step. So let's dive in. First, grab the phone that already has WhatsApp installed. Open WhatsApp, tap on the three dots in the top right corner, and go to Link Devices. Now, tap the linker device to open the QR code scanner. Next, on your second phone, install WhatsApp from the Play Store or App Store. Open WhatsApp, and instead of entering your phone number, tap on a link with existing account. You'll see a QR code appear on your screen. Now, using the first phone, scan the QR code displayed on the second phone. Once the scan is successful, WhatsApp will sync your chats, and you can start using the same account on both devices. That's it. Now you can use WhatsApp on both phones simultaneously. Plus, all your messages are end-to-end encrypted, and you don't even need the primary phone to stay online for this to work. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to NedusTech for more awesome tech tutorials. Hit the bell icon to stay updated. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.